Hey everyone! How are you today? Today, we're going to fold a little crescent moon. You can use a regular-sized origami paper, but I'm making a tiny moon with a quarter-size sheet. First, fold your paper in half, corner to corner. Then open it back up. Let's turn the paper so it looks like a diamond. Now, fold both sides in toward the center line. Next, we'll fold like climbing stairs. Fold the bottom edge up just a little bit below the middle line. When you flip it over, and you'll see. It makes a little step shape. Now, fold the whole thing in half vertically. Hold the tip at one end and gently pull it out. See how it starts to look like a crescent moon? Do the same for the middle. Just a tiny pull, like you're helping the folds peek out. Let's tuck the back edge in just a little. Which way will your moon be facing? Mine is going to look this way, so I'll fold here. I'm also folding the bottom just a touch. Finally, let's draw a face on our moon. A bright eye, a happy smiley, and maybe a shy little blush. And there's our moon! Great job folding with me today. If you liked folding with BA, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this. See you next time!